Welcome back to Dolly Do-Overs, and today we are going to be doing a giveaway. We are giving away a Lil Luxe doll right here with this cute little handbag. We have all of the names of everyone who subscribed after our giveaway that said, "I want a Lil Luxe" in the comment of our previous video. If you also shared our photo on Instagram, you got a bonus entry. So I'm going to have my little helper here shake, shake, shake it up. And let's see who he picks. We're gonna mix them up a little bit more. Let's get Lil Luxe ready. And 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And the winner is Lily and Nayella's Toy Love. Thank you so much, you guys, and congratulations. Yeah! Contact us, you can message us and let us know your address, and we will get this Lil Luxe sent out to you. We will also contact you too, just to make sure that it gets to you. Congratulations, and thank you guys so much for participating, and don't forget to subscribe.